Hello and welcome back. So, for the past week, and even as I'm speaking, internship and placement drives are going on in colleges, and online tests and interviews are being scheduled one after the another. And caught up amongst all of these are we, the students. There are some students who started preparing for all of these even before they joined college, and they are ready to conquer everything. Now, the companies look for such candidates only, and they get the second kind of students for free, like complimentary. Now, the second kind of students are like me and most of you, who got to know about all of these just a few months back, or even just a week back, and just aimlessly started searching for resources online or on YouTube or through seniors and everywhere. Now, the first kind of students construct the major workforce of all these companies, but that doesn't mean that it's impossible to get into these companies if you didn't started preparing beforehand and you started everything a bit late. What I mean to say is that you can get internships or placement in these companies if, yes, there's an if you work smartly and cover up for the lost time. And to work smartly, you need a clear cut, well defined framework of resources that you can refer to at any point of time and get the solutions of your problems in an instant. It sounds a lot, right? But don't worry, because I'm here to help. I have constructed a list of all the resources that you can use at any point of your coding journey and strengthen your roots in programming. But if you are just starting out, I highly recommend you to watch my previous video, which is like a roadmap for your coding journey, and it will give you a lot of clarity on what lies ahead, and it will surely help you plan well. And while you are there, don't forget to subscribe if you like my content, and if you want to get notified for my upcoming videos, do press the bell icon. Now, coming back to this video, I have constructed a list of all the sites and forums based upon the exact point of your coding journey where they will be really helpful. If you follow these websites, you can easily get a place in any company. Okay, so without any further ado, let's hop right into it. HackerRank is very useful when you are at the start of your coding journey. It has a lots of problems from different topics that will help you solidify your basic concepts. They also provide a certificate if you finish a certain course in a certain amount of time, which you can then add to your LinkedIn profile, because these certificates have a lot of credibility in the community. One more advantage of this site is that a lot of companies conduct their online tests on this site only. So the experience of this site will help you a lot in cracking those tests. Geeks for Geeks, or GFG, is an amazing site for learning the basic concepts like networking, DBMS, DSA, and a lot more. It has a lots of questions from each and every topic in all the programming languages that will give you immense clarity. These questions are also tagged based upon which company's exam they were asked in, so it is really helpful if you are preparing for a specific company. Now, these two are very helpful for the time you are learning the concepts and basics of coding. But if you are already into the process and you think that you are ready for placement and internships, you can jump into the problem solving part, for which the next few websites will be really crucial. Now, LeetCode is the place where you will apply all the concepts that you learned from GFG and HackerRank. It has fewer but distinct and unique questions as compared to any other website. These questions are classified based upon the companies. So if you have a particular preference, you can refer them. And if you do not have any preference, you can do the questions from Amazon, which covers almost all the topics with optimum variation. So it will help you in cracking any online test. This site also has a premium subscription with added benefits. But even if you do not take the premium subscription, you can still gain a lot from this site, which will really boost your confidence. Now, CodeChef and HackerEarth have very exciting monthly challenges. So, if a competitive environment suits you, then these are the best sites for you. CodeChef's monthly long challenges are very good if you are a beginner, because they provide 10 days to solve 3 questions, which is enough time for you to understand the questions thoroughly and apply all your knowledge by trying out different things. The problems on this side are in the form of problem statement and stories, which make it even more exciting. And there are many more such challenges in all different shapes and sizes and time durations and ranked and unranked, which you can always explore. Now, Codeforces is very optimum for competitions. So it also has contests like GFG, which you can take part in. These contests are ranked ones, which means that these will decide your ranking on the website. And this Codeforces rank is very reputed and recognized in the industry. And even some employers do their initial screening based upon your performance on Codeforces and your rank. So by working and growing on Codeforces, you can ease your way into the industry. Now, InterviewBit is a very sought after site for interview preparations. It has questions categorized on the basis of topics as well as companies in which they were asked in. Here you can set your threshold daily points which you get from solving questions. You get more points for harder ones and less point for easier ones. And it also has a reminder enabled streak system which you can maintain by solving questions on a daily basis. Now this mechanism helps you in staying in the process. So this is very helpful for someone who wants to practice a lot of problems in a very short amount of time, like someone whose interview is due in just a few days. Now summarizing everything, HackerRank and GFG are best if you are starting out on your coding journey or if you want to learn the basic concepts. LeetCode is a right place for applying all these concepts that you learn. HackerEarth and CodeChef are for monthly challenges which will make you sharper. Codeforces are best for contests and a competitive presence. And InterviewBit is the best site for last moment preparations. So these sites are highly recommended support system that will help you throughout your programming journey and throughout your career. Now in reality, you cannot expect to get ahead of someone who has been preparing for a very long time. But I assure you that if you follow these sites and these procedures, you will easily gain a lot of precise information in a very short amount of time that will help you do wonders. Because we engineers have that logical aptitude always at place. What we need is just direction. And I hope that my videos give you a direction and help you in doing wonders. So hit like if you find this video useful and share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel if you want to see more such content. See you in the next video with some more amazing content. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye.